Alright, I want to do an unboxing of the Simple Human Sensor Pump. And I already took everything out of the package. And this just came in today. FedEx dropped it off, but this is everything that you get in the package. And I already charged it up a little bit. You get this. I got the stainless steel one. This is what it looks like. That's the power button right there. And then that's for the charger. It goes on there magnetically, like so. And then you just use any USB charger, like this one that you have from any phone, and you can just plug it in right there. And just like this, and it'll charge it. But all this right here comes in the package. All this, and then it also comes with a free sample of their soap, and I got that one. That's the one that came in the box, and that's the size that I have right there. And you load the soap in right here. And this is what the side of the box looks like. And this was $60, I think, plus shipping. So I think it came out well, I got it free shipping. It was free shipping. I think it was either 60 or 65. And I ordered this from simplehuman.com. You get a 2-year warranty. And then this is everything else. Yeah. My favorite thing is it's rechargeable. You don't have to put no batteries in it. But I will be switching to the soap to antibacterial soap when this one runs out. But this is everything that you get in this, the basic stuff, little papers, referrals. And this is all the soaps that they have. That's the one that came in my box. The lavender sample. And that's it. This is the Simple Human Sensor Pump.